you see how she's like paying attention? Yesterday, Holistic Cooper, what up, Chop? She was telling me how cats don't actually make noise to communicate with each other. And I thought about it for a second, and I thought, well, that could be. Except the first thing I said was, remember, whoever told you that was a human. And anyway, I'm sitting here doing my morning story, and Miss Kitty was in her favorite spot down here below the virtual window. And I heard a cat meow outside, and she jumped to the bed and listened closely. And then it meowed again, and she creeped over here. And I think she's still listening.
Meow.
Either way, it's gonna be a beautiful day, huh, babe? I love you.